Hey guys, Jeremy Jacobowitz here from Brunch Boys. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is all about my food adventures around the world, but today I am in my kitchen and we are going to make something very special. So I got this giant box yesterday, a mystery box. And I opened it up and I found Pat Frita beef, Martin's potato bun, and something called Shack sauce. So if you guys know, or you should know, hopefully you know, it's from Shake Shack. They sent me all their ingredients to make my own Shake Shack at home. So I thought it'd be fun to, one, whip up a Shake Shack burger. Let's see how well I can do. But then, you know, I'm feeling creative. I'm in my kitchen. I got the creative juices flowing. I was like, what else can I do to make this really special? And I thought what I thought would be fun would be to combine the Shake Shack burger and the McDonald's Big Mac into one glorious burger. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna first whip up the Shake Shack burger, then make my special concoction, see how it is, see how it tastes, and have a little fun. I feel like, you know, been stuck in the apartment and any little bits of joy to make my day a little bit better is feeling good. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prep my veggies that are gonna go on top of the burger. So I have a head of lettuce here. I'm gonna cut part of it off and save it for the Shake Shack burger and part of it off to save for the Big Mac burger. One of the key differences between the burgers is that Shake Shack actually uses just like one piece of the lettuce while the Big Mac version does shreddis. So I'm gonna save some of it for the Shake Shack and then just chop up the other half of it to get some shreddis. Next, I'm gonna cut up my tomatoes. There are no tomatoes on the Big Mac version, but there are tomatoes on the Shake Shack version. The Shake Shack version usually has smaller tomatoes. You go like 2 small tomatoes. So I'm probably just gonna use 1 piece, but I'll go ahead and cut the whole tomato anyway, just in case. So the meat that Shake Shack sent me is Pat Frita meat, and they said it's enough portions for 8 burgers. So what I'm gonna do, just because I don't really know how to perfectly eyeball the actual weight of the burger, is I'm just gonna cut this into eighths, and it should be exactly the same size as what they use. Hopefully. Okay, we're also, I'm just seasoning the top of these burgers just with a little bit of salt and pepper. All right, so now that I'm prepped, I'm gonna go over to the stove and make some burgers. All right, I mean, what was really cool is that Shake Shack actually delivers nationwide. They sent this to me, they will send it to you. Not for free, obviously, you know, I got it for free, but you could get it shipped to you if you really want it. Check out their website, their Instagram, they'll have all the instructions there. All right, so I'm going to use this cast iron hybrid pan actually. So it gives you everything you want of cast iron, but it's a little easier to use and manage. So thumbs up for that. We're gonna bring it up to a medium heat. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to butter the buns and just toast them in the pan to get them going. You're just looking for them to get just like a little bit of brown, a little bit of color. We don't really wanna burn them, just get them nice, a little toasty. All right, I'm gonna do that for all the buns. All right, so then it's burger time. So all right, I'm gonna take the patties, and I probably only have enough room in here for 1 patty at a time. So the secret with the Shack burger is to take 2 spatulas. Just use 2 metal ones. I only have 1 metal one, so we'll see what happens. Put the seasoned side down flat, and then press down really hard in both of them and get it as flat as you can. You want it to, 1, get it flat because it's a smash burger. But 2, you're gonna get some like really nice char crispy layers, and that's what you want. So once you squish it down, do not touch it. You want those layers to build, and if you mess with it, that's not gonna happen. So you're just looking for it to cook through about 2.5, 3 minutes. Let me know what your favorite fast casual burger is. Love Shake Shack, I love Bobby's Burger Pals too. That is underrated, and if you have one near you, you should go eat that also. The secret to their burgers, there's a lot of secrets, but one thing they do that no one else does is they crunchify the burger. Hell yeah. All right, now we're just gonna give it a nice flip. I'm trying to get really under that char to make sure that I get the whole thing. It doesn't actually stick to the pan, and voila. All right, so I'm gonna cook a few more burgers, and then we'll go back to the other side of the kitchen, and we will assemble and eat. Pop, pop. All right, let the burger sit for just a minute, just let the juices sort of come together. And now it's time to assemble. Let's start with the original Shake Shack burger first. So we're gonna take our 2 Martin potato roll buns, both buttered and toasty and nice. And on the top side, we're gonna go Shack sauce, a piece of lettuce and 1 tomato, And on the bottom, we're gonna put our beautiful patty and then just whoop, put them right on top there. All right, so now it's time to put together the Big Macified Shack Burger. So we're gonna have, obviously we have the 3 buns because the Big Mac always needs that middle bun. And on the bottom, we are going to go Shack sauce, shreddis, chopped onions, and then a layer of American cheese. And then I'm gonna take my first burger patty and put it right on top there. And then we're gonna put the middle bun perfectly right there. We're gonna put more Shack sauce on that. Shreddis, chopped onions, and this time we're gonna use the finely chopped pickles as well before we place our last patty on top. And then we just put the last bun on there. Easy. Whew. All right, so after all that, let's taste the burgers. Let's start off the OG Shake Shack first. Looking good. I think when you're eating a Shake Shack burger, you're looking for like nice char, that potato bun, special sauce all coming together. Special sauce is more of like a mayo-y, mustardy, little like hints of spices here and there sauce, which is really, really nice. Really great bite. I think one thing I didn't realize, which I guess I should have thought of, because this is a secret to every single restaurant dish, is to really butter those buns before you toast them. Like when you wonder why restaurant food tastes so good, I promise you, it's the amount of salt and butter that they use. If you thought like over salted or over buttered anything in this recipe, that's why it tastes so good. So does it taste exactly like the original? I think I didn't smash it hard enough. You know, in their directions, they said to smash it with 2 metal spatulas. I only had 1. So I think I got a little bit better at it as I went along, but I still don't think I got that like super, super thin patty, which is okay. I don't necessarily always love a super thin patty, but I'm trying to replicate the Shake Shack. That's obviously what I'm trying to do. So maybe a little thick, probably a little thick on this version also, but hey, listen, that comes down to personal preference too. So if you want a little thicker, you can do a little thicker, if not. But that char is there. The Pat LaFrida meat they use is so incredible. So the quality is there, the taste is there. Oof, that was good. But let's go to my little experiment here. All right, so here we go. We got the Big Macified Shack Burger. That looks good. So you know what? It's funny. I kind of prefer shreddis, so I was happier to go with this on this version rather than just the whole piece of lettuce. I don't love tomatoes either. Just find that sometimes tomatoes aren't great and they'll slide around. I like the shreddis for texture better, and I think it holds up better. So this might be a better bite. Let's see if I can do this. This is a monster burger. Let's see here. And it takes me a while to chew, but and that is very good for a number of reasons. Obviously, listen, we're taking Shake Shack burger that is incredible as it is. Just fine tuning, tweaking little things here and there. Now, obviously, look, we got more bun, we got more butter, we got more meat. Probably gonna taste pretty good. Like I said, I love the shreddis, I love the texture, I love that it holds up a little bit better. I love the addition of the pickles too, a little bit sourness in there as well. Now, I think where I sort of went wrong a little bit is 1, probably should have been even thinner patties. That's my mistake, obviously. 2, you know, when McDonald's slices the bun, it's 1 bun that's sliced in thirds, not adding another bun. So even the middle bun part, as much as I squished it down, probably is a little bit too much bread there. And then the cheese too, I don't really know how McDonald's melts cheese. So the Shack burger, you melt it in the pan. When I was reading the directions for McDonald's burger, it said like, since the cheese goes on the bottom, it seemed like you just stacked it and the residual heat should have melted the cheese a little bit. It didn't super melt it enough for my liking. Maybe that's just, I got the recipe wrong. Maybe there's some secret McDonald's has to it, but I would have preferred a little bit more melty cheese, but listen, it's pretty much just a double Shack burger and that's gonna be good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you subscribe because you like me so much and like this video so much. Like the video, comment below, and let me know what you think about these dishes. Have you had a Shake Shack? Have you had a Big Mac? You must have a Big Mac. Would you have liked to eat them combined like I did? Let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. That's very good. I can keep going on. Oh, well.